In this demonstration, we will showcase how Aviva can help to improve your value chain agility and resilience in manufacturing, using Planet Together and manufacturing execution systems. Manufacturers are facing unprecedented challenges which have significantly impacted business results, growth and profitability, and these challenges have been amplified by supply chain and work disruptions due to COVID. We at Aviva focus on value chain optimization and can provide solutions that not only optimize costs and improve production at a single plant, but are able to optimize your value chain. Here at Aviva we understand your daily responsibilities and challenges. In this demonstration we want to emphasize how our solutions support the daily challenges of the 4 personas shown on screen. As a plant manager, it is important to maximize on-time, in-full deliveries, while managing health and safety, and workforce dynamics. But they are restricted by a lack of visibility on operations plans to coordinate activities, and inability to effectively roll out reliability initiatives. As a manager of the quality team, it is important to minimize the cost of quality and ensure maximum traceability and compliance. But they are restricted by a lack of real-time visibility into daily operations and delayed results from quality tests. As a maintenance manager, it is important to ensure support for continuous improvement, asset reliability, and automation and integration. However, the main challenge is that it is difficult to create metrics on equipment health, and can be difficult to gain access to equipment documentation and specifications. Finally, as a Chief Sustainability Officer, it is important to focus on business principles, as well as carbon neutrality and reducing plastic use and wastage. But they face challenges including the reduction of byproducts and energy consumption. So, what is required? Our plant manager will relate to improved agility and resilience by accessing site-wide analytics and a full plant view, so they are able to see how production is progressing, equipment is being utilized and materials are consumed. Our quality manager has access to product quality and traceability, so they can ensure their products are of high quality and in compliance with regulatory requirements. Our maintenance manager will be able to access Aviva's predictive analytics and equipment efficiency data to ensure an increase in productivity and reliable operations. Finally, our Chief Sustainability Officer can access energy information and gain transparency to production to minimize waste and loss. Now let's look at a use case about hybrid manufacturing with the help of planning and scheduling. In this demo, a planner optimizes the job schedule and releases the change to production. The line supervisor reviews the change and allocates the materials and resources. Finally, an operator executes the new orders, and the planner can see the updated plant status. A planner can use the Aviva planning and scheduling tool to quickly review orders at the plant. The planner can review all orders, or can focus on specific areas, such as bulk production or packaging. For this example, the planner will focus on bulk production, based off the number of orders pending. The planner can see information such as product ID, item ID, quantity needed, and need by date. Using the refresh button, the planner can pull information from MES. Orders can be rescheduled between different pieces of equipment using drag and drop. If orders are moved across machinery or times, the system will update any corresponding orders, such as the sub-job on Reactor 1, which is dependent upon the completion of the job to be run on Blender 1. The planner can manually schedule the jobs across the currently available pieces of equipment, or can use the Optimize button to analyze the current schedule and reorder the jobs, based on the due date of the order, as well as equipment availability. The planner reviews the new schedule, and observes that there is setup time between jobs on Blender 2, because of a switch in product. By creating a new rule, the planner can minimize the setup hours between the jobs, ensuring that there is less product switchover and less subsequent cleanup. With the new rule in place, the planner can click the Optimize button again, resulting in the order being moved to Blender 1, eliminating unnecessary changeover, cleaning, and setup time. Now that the jobs are optimized, the schedule is ready to be sent to MES using the Publish Scenario button, where a supervisor can review them. A supervisor logs into the system and can check the list of work orders that have been released for execution in the production system. If the supervisor needs to make an adjustment to one of the orders, they can use the Edit button and update the quantity and due date according to new specifications. The planner can click Refresh Data and will see updated information on the order, as well as an adjustment to the schedule. An operator can now log into the system and monitor orders that are available to run. Looking at the reactor, the operator sees the job that the supervisor has released and is ready to start the process and begin producing and consuming. As the job runs, the operator will be consuming materials from different inventory locations, as well as producing finished goods. As items are produced and consumed in operations, the planner will see those updates within the planning tool. As more materials are produced and consumed, the planning tool can update to show progress, providing the planner with an overview of when the order will be completed. Many Aviva customers have found success through the implementation of our value chain optimization solutions. Across various industries, our customers have utilized planning and scheduling, MES, advanced analytics, and monitor and control solutions to tackle problems related to supply chain, food safety and quality, sustainability, operation efficiency, and workforce productivity. They have achieved amazing results like reducing traceability from 4 hours to 1 minute, or realizing a 50% reduction in downtime within their facilities. Thank you for watching.